look.
April 7th, so Sevens Day. All you rotary guys should be happy and cherish your not running RX-7s. Happy Sevens Day, y'all. Hope everybody's having a good day. Go get your not running RX-7s running, or go to meets with your running RX-7s. I'm doing neither because no one owns rotaries near me. But this morning I took one of the Panda Sport wheels off the FC, ran to Advanced, ran it to Thai at Advanced, and we're going to try and polish my wheels up and make them look nice again. So I picked up, what did I get? We got wheel cleaner, because that thing's disgusting. We got a power cone. We got some sandpaper, and we got some cutting compound. So we're gonna see how that goes, but first things first, let's clean that wheel while Ty works on this thing. Yeah, and he sees is right there. We got the wheel kind of clean. Let me see what I'm doing. There we go. At least the inner barrel's not black anymore, but mostly clean. I'm gonna start trying to sand the face and see what we can do. So I definitely should have done this a long time ago. This side already looks like way nicer. There's that scratch there, which is not going to come out, but it doesn't look like ass anymore. So we'll just keep on doing the rest. What's up, guys? So we've been sanding for a while. AutoZone or Advanced gave Ty the wrong spring compressor, so we had to go back and get another one of those. But the M3 spring job is coming along nicely. You almost done there, big boy?
Yeah.
Look at that.
This is done. This is done. Trust me, done.
So Ty's got one more corner left on that, and then here's the wheel. Already looks better. I've done a pass with 1,000 grit, and then I did 1,500. Now I'll step it up to 2,000, and I'm gonna go all the way up to 2,500. Then I'll break out the polishing compound and start really going at it. But so far, looking good. What do you guys think? I'll shoot another time lapse just sanding. I'm sure that's boring, but we'll include that. So we've got, damn, it's bright, it's cloudy. We've got all the sanding done on the wheel. We'll break out the polishing compound, start hitting it, see what it looks like. But here is our shiny wheel. So we hit it with 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and then 2,500. So we'll see what happens next with the polishing compound. So we're gonna use the Mother's cone, power cone 360, and then we'll use the ultra cut compound here, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I fingered it good.
Is your shit done?
Yeah, not to. I just gotta put the lid back on and then put the wheels on, obviously, but.
Springs. Spark plugs are down there.
Glad they know. None of them have any automotive experience.
Probably not.
Somewhere in here.
There. You take this off to change your plugs, kids. According to the internet.
Yeah, according to the forums.
Well, this wheel is done. This is about as much work as that wheel's ever gonna get, so. You can kind of see myself in it. That's wild.
We get this.
I think so. Sup, fam?
What's up, James?
What's up?
What's up? I was doing some crypt pieces. I also realized I'm a fucking idiot. I got
So-
the little power outlet working.
Let's see. Pretty much everything's done for today. So happy Sevens Day to all of you guys. When I get home later, I'll put that wheel up on the car and show you kind of the before and after. We were back at my house and I just took the rain tire off that I had on there. Here's our freshly redone wheel. Overall, I think it came out well. Like, the faces are actually nice. You still see the machine work in there, the CNC lines, which is fine. I just wanted it to shine. And as you can tell, I mean, you can see my hand. Like, it's pretty shiny. The lips didn't turn out as well as I wanted them to, but they're still pretty shiny as well. So overall, that's great. That was one wheel, about 5 hours of work. So I still have to do the others. But let me go show you guys this wheel so we can see a comparison. Here is this wheel. Not shiny at all. Just kind of grungy and nasty. I mean, it looks good on camera, but in person it's not great. So I still got to do 3 wheels left. But we'll get them all done. We'll get them knocked out. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed your Sevens Day. Let me know what you guys did to your RX-7s or your cars this weekend down below in the comments. Would love to hear what you guys are working on, and just always love connecting and talking to you guys whenever I get a chance. In other news, there is the whole reason I did this today, well, the whole reason I'm refinishing the wheels, A, because they look bad and I want to get them done, but B, there is a big meet next weekend called Back to Basics, presented by Misperception Car Club. It is at Williams Motor Speedway, I think. It's about 20 minutes from my house. I know David Patterson's gonna come up. Him and I are gonna roll down there. We're in, I think, their showcase. So it'll be great to show off the new color of the car, and then might as well have the wheels looking nice. We're going to a car show. So come on out, see the car, see me, see David, see his car. I don't know what he's bringing yet, but he's gonna bring something. And just come hang out with us that night. So I'll put the link in the description for like the event and all that. But hope to see you guys out there, and hopefully I get the rest of the wheels done. I got 3 left, about 5 hours of work each. I have 15 hours of work. I've got a week to get it done. Should be doable. I'm gonna try to do like 1 a day or something. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think, how the wheels turned out. Let me know what y'all are working on. And as always, thank you for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a longtime subscriber, thank you guys so much for the support. And we will see you guys soon. Have a good weekend, y'all. Bye.